In a setback to the West Bengal government, the Calcutta High Court on Monday refused to recall or cancel its earlier order directing the National Human Rights Commission to investigate post-poll violence in the state. Here's the full story. Violence, vandalism, arson. The eruption was instantaneous. Just minutes after Mamata's huge victory in Bengal on the 2nd of May, these were the scenes in the state. Weeks of vicious finger-pointing followed between the Trinamool and the BJP. But justice for victims remained embroiled in the political crossfire. Over a month later, on June the 18th, the Calcutta High Court ordered the National Human Rights Commission to form a panel to examine the post-poll violence. An order that came as a huge embarrassment to the new Mamata government. But now, there's been another big setback to her. Dismissing a petition from the Mamata government, the Calcutta High Court has refused to recall or stay its order on that external probe. The High Court says, after hearing the parties, it does not find any case for recalling or staying its June 18th order. This comes as the next big setback to the Bengal government.
आज़ादी के बाद पोस्ट पोल वायलेंस इतना भयानक, इतनी बर्बरता का, इतना आतंकी कभी पहले देखा नहीं। You can't have confrontation with every constitutional outfit. You can't be in confrontation mode with the central government, with the governor, and now you are not sparing even other institutions.
हमारे लोकतंत्र में शायद पहली बार देख रही हूं कि एक मुख्यमंत्री एक राज्य में लोगों को सजाए मौत होते इसलिए देख रही है क्योंकि उन्होंने मुख्यमंत्री के पक्ष के लिए वोट नहीं किया। पहले तो उनके हाथ खून से सने हुए थे, अब दामन पर भी महिला के अत्याचार के दाग हैं।
The order in question was passed while the court was hearing a public interest litigation claiming that the state government did not act against the violence. The PIL had also stated that political attacks led to displacement of people from their residences, physical assault, destruction of property, and ransacking of offices. The state government had moved the High Court seeking a recall of this order, saying it was passed without giving the state an opportunity to file its response, only to be snubbed now.
Court has observed today is that there are so many complaints which have gone to the NHRC, to the West Bengal State Legal Services authorities, but not a single to the State Human Rights Commission, nor have they presented any such complaint before the court. So why is it so? Is the state reluctant? Is the administration reluctant to bring the truth before the court?
The order means the National Human Rights Commission gets to continue its probe into some of the most vicious post-poll violence in the country.
The High Court setback for Mamata comes while there is still suspense over a possible external special investigation team probe. Multiple victims of violence have petitioned India's Supreme Court. An SIT probe would be the biggest setback of all for Bengal government's continuous efforts to stave off any external probe.
As the BJP draws strength from the High Court order and Team Mamata strategizes for the next steps, an order from the Supreme Court is still awaited. With Prema Rajaram in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today. Is a new anti-Modi